1, 2, 3.
Hi everyone, my name is Ava, and today I am going to show you how to get knots out of doll's hair. This one's not really naughty, but it is kind of crazy, so.
Let us see your doll's hair. So you said it's oh no, she's kind of crazy.
Yeah, she is.
Okay.
Okay, so first we put Downy into water. I put Downy already, but that was just cheap Downy, so it didn't work that well. So put that, and you gotta put water with Downy, okay? Now just mix it. You can mix it with a spoon or your hand.
Okay.
So then you just take your doll and put your doll in hair in there. Okay, yeah. Oh, I shouldn't have took her headband off, but it's okay.
Try not to get the headband in. Just get her hair. Finger comb her hair.
I have a brush. Where's the
No,
brush?
finger comb it first.
Fine. Oh, the brush is on the floor.
It's okay. Try to get it all untangled. There you go.
It's gonna take a while, but we already did another doll, and we'll show you her hair and another doll's hair after.
That's already untangled, Ava.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you spread it and let us look at it? Okay. Let me see. Your hand's in the way. Okay. Get it all wet in there. What I normally do is I just shake her.
Oh,
I just go
Grandma.
like this.
Okay.
See?
Okay. But I don't want to get her.
Don't get her barrette wet. Okay, her barrette is wet. Okay, pick her up. Let's see. There you go. Okay. That looks better. Okay, keep doing that.
Okay. Oh, and you can also do what I was doing before, just do that. But this is kind of easier, but it's heavier. Oh, there we go. I put one of my barrettes on.
Okay. Pick her up, Ava. Let's see. Can you see how her hair untangles?
Okay. And then when you're done, you just
Wring it out, and let's comb it out.
when you're done and it's like this, you just get a hairbrush and you brush it through.
Let me get you the hairbrush.
And then you can do the ends, but the ends are gonna be like just, soft
Okay.
and fluffy.
Let's comb her out.
Okay. So now you just wring the doll's hair, and then take her and then just comb her. Yeah. And then
Section by section, Ava, starting at the bottom.
So like that.
There you go.
And then go to the middle. This is how I brush my hair. But my hair is not that naughty when I wake up because I brush it every single day. We might need to put the doll in for the Downy for a little bit more.
Yeah, it's coming out. It's not a miracle. You just got to work with it, see?
Yeah, like that.
Okay, there you go.
So then if it's still not coming out and your doll's hair is...
Don't move it around like that, Ava. You're going to get it unknotted again. Up and down, let it go.
So yeah.
Good.
If it's still knotted, then you put it in for like 2-3 more minutes, and then it will probably be done.
Okay. There we go. Okay, there we go. Okay.
Okay.
All right, we're going to stop and we'll show you the end results after we comb her out.
Yeah.
Thank you.